Seventh Child Publishing presents Discovery Activities, Family Recipes, which is in the Family History Tricks and Tips playlist, Family History Activity Series. Please click on the links below to access the Seventh Child Publishing website and the Salt Lake Mill Creek Family History web pages on the FamilySearch Research Wiki for more resources. Hello, I'm Eileen Lentz, Temple and Family History Consultant and Trainer. As a consultant, I want to teach people how to understand their ancestors more fully so they can appreciate their talents and ways they provide for their families. There is a strong link between food and family traditions. This family history discovery activity connects family recipes and the family story about the food and the members and emotions it brings to us. Family food traditions do more than nourish your body. They nourish your heart and mind. Think of your favorite foods, and they will probably be attached with experiences and people that are important to you. And when you make, eat, or share those foods, you will think of experience you have had and feel the feelings you felt when you remember those experiences. Sharing a special treat with others helps to tell them that you care for them or want to get to know them better. I have had many favorite foods that are connected to certain ancestors that I would like to add to my family trees, specifically on FamilySearch. So let me show you how to do it. When my mother cooked, she had a special ingredient. Love dripped from her fingers, so food she prepared always tasted better. One of my favorite recipes was her soft applesauce cookies. The house smelled marvelously of cinnamon spice and, of course, tasted divine. When any of my family members was away from home for school, military service, or missions, she always sent a care package that included her home-baked applesauce cookies. She would always say, "These cookies will stay fresher longer." When we received these cookies, when we were far from home, we always tasted her special ingredient above all other flavors. I wanted to share this story on my mother's page on FamilySearch Family Tree. First, I created a Word document of the recipe card, but I discovered that Family Tree won't accept the file as a Word document file. So I took a screenshot of the recipe and saved it as a JPEG file in my mother's file folder on my computer. The next step is to upload it on FamilySearch. And you do that by signing on to your FamilySearch.org account and hover over Family Tree and then click Tree. Find the person, click on the person's name, and then click Person. And once you get to their page, then click on the Memories tab. You can see the arrow that I have down on that one. Then click Upload, and in this case I did it to Documents, and then I selected the file from my mother's folder on my computer. And you can also, if you've already uploaded the file, then you can go to Gallery and select it. After the file has uploaded, then you can click on the icon to open that file and then add a title and link it to the person. In the image window, I can add a title and save it. And I added the title Recipe for Applesauce Cookies from the Kitchen of Laurel Maud Small Hacking. I can edit that title anytime by clicking on the Edit button. I can also edit the tag or add a new tag by clicking anywhere on the image and adding the name and linking to that person on Family Tree. If I have uploaded the files from the person's memory page, it will automatically save to that person. Okay. At the bottom of the page, click on the green Record a Memory icon. Click on the blue Start button and record up to 5 minutes. You can also record using the mobile app for either Family Tree or Memories, and use the link shown for step-by-step instructions for several different ways to add an audio recording to an image or document memory. The article was found on the FamilySearch help menu. Then selecting the Help Center, and then Memories, and search for adding audio. Part of the reason to add recipes to your family tree is to encourage others to join in this wonderful experience. After you have added a couple of recipes and you know how to do it, show other family members how to do it. It is also fun to do with friends and a great activity to share with those you minister to in your church or community. The more you share this new skill, the better you will be at it, and the more wonderful recipes and relationships you will experience. It will help you connect with generations of your family. Thank you for watching this video, Discovery Activities, Family Recipes, which is in the Family History Tricks and Tips playlist, Family History Activities series. I have enjoyed making these cookies and sharing them and the story with family and friends. I'm using this video to help others experience this wonderful adventure too. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and please share with others on Facebook and your other social media accounts. Please help me to spread this important message.